Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to give you the answer for the question what I received too many times and my subscribers and the other peoples ask me all the time. The question is when we finish our hours in analytics, we see now this is if I do lifetime. So this is 5,000, okay, and 49,000 views and 5,000 watch time, and also the subscriber I have finished this. So why it's not showing when I click on earn or in monetize option? So many people ask me this question. This is very easy and very simple. Don't worry about it. See, like here the subscriber 1404, and as you see 5,000 watch hours, but here it's showing only this. So what you have to do, you will see here on the right left hand side, send feedback. Okay, you will write here email to YouTube, you see here. So here you will send email, dear YouTube team, my public hours are not updated in monetize cap. Please resolve this issue, and after that thank you. Okay, so you do this, and after that you upload the screenshot. If you take in the screenshot, it's okay. If you did not take the screenshot, so you can take it. Now screenshot in your computer or through the mobile, whatever you do it. Suppose I take the screenshot here, this one, this area, okay, and I upload this here. You can see now this is my screenshot, and now I am going to send to the YouTube. So once I click on to send, it will goes to the YouTube, and within 1-2 days they will update this area. Okay, so if you have still any question, any inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can send me message. So till the next video, take care, bye.